Hey everyone, welcome to Yummy Bakings. Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas themed cupcakes. These are so delicious, colorful, and great to celebrate the holidays with. So let's just get started. In a large bowl, put half a cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar and beat it together. Next, add 2 eggs and beat that in as well. Now add 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, and as you're beating it in, it will get pretty thick now, like a cookie dough recipe. So now I'm adding 1 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder. You should have added it with the flour, so just do that. And now add half a cup of milk and mix that in, and you will have a thick batter. Now take half the batter and dye it red. So I didn't have red, so I used a neon pink and I just added a lot. And I also made a green. You could also keep that white, but now just add clear liners into a cupcake tray. And if not, you could just use baking spray and add 1 scoop of green and flatten that out with a toothpick and add 1 scoop of pink on top. And you're going to let these bake in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
So this is what they look like out of the oven. They rose very well, and to check to see if it's fully baked, take a toothpick and stab it into the middle. So that's it, guys. You see that color? They're so vibrant and really delicious. These are really good, and I suggest putting my strawberry frosting on it. The link to that video will be down below. So thanks for watching, everyone. Come back to my previous video where I show you how to make deviled eggs. Come back for more baking, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.